Hey everyone, it's What's in a Box Wednesday, and this week I've got a few things to show you, and then I'm going to talk about our Easter hours, because it's Easter, which is very exciting. So first up, I wanted to show you the quilt that I made using the new Remembrance panel, which is featuring the navy, which is really cool. So as you can see, nice, quick, easy, just a little thing, nothing too crazy, but had a bit of fun making that. So I've got kits made up for that, so it'll look exactly like that. The only thing not in the kit is the backing and the wadding. So I've got that, they're online and they are $90. And then I have the Poppy Remembrance quilt, which I don't have with me right now, but it's using the Anzacs with the poppies on it. It's really quite lovely as well. And that one's $140. So we've got those. And of course we've got all the other panels they can see online and matching fabrics in there as well. Then, what else do we have? We have new things. We have new pre-cuts. Let's go over here. So, they are Cedar West Basics. So as you can see, they're like a mottle. But then, what's cool about this is it's done in the colorway. Look at that. So you go from your purples, your blues, your greys, pinks, and more pinks, right? So that's your first colorway. Then you've got your blues. Oh, look at that, you can see it much better on a 2.5 strip roller. You've got your multi, so your rainbow. And then this one they call jewel, so your jewel tones, which is really cool. So you've got it in your 2.5-inch strips, your 5-inch squares, and your 10-inch squares as well. So that's the new things. And then closures. So we're closed over Easter, so that's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. And then the following weekend is Anzac weekend, so we're open the Saturday, but we are closed the Monday. Alright? So if you forget all that, I'm sure we'll post about it. But just thought I'd remind you. So, what are we today? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday? 2 more days. And then it's Easter! Very exciting. Hope you eat lots of chocolate. Drink some wine if you can drink some wine. But otherwise, have lots of fun, be safe, and we'll see you all very soon. Bye everyone.